in some areas because of the wind gusts that are possible in the mid.
Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for Easton 1 County in south central Iowa, Marion County in south central Iowa until 2:15 p.m. At 1:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles east of Indianola, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and ping-pong balls on hail. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous for those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Indianola, Pella, Knoxville, Pleasantville, Melcher, Dallas, Lake Red Rock, Knoxville Raceway, Milo, Bussey, Harvey, Hamilton, Atwood, Marysville, Sandyville,